Many of you probably had a very good day in the market today. Pretty much everything was up. It was fantastic. I had my record all-time nominal gain in a single day, and we're all feeling pretty good. There was some stuff that was down though, and I want to talk about that because I actually like the stuff that was down today, not because it was down today, because it has been up the rest of the week, but because of the fundamentals there. So, like we've seen for a long time, some things have been doing poorly the last couple weeks and some things have been doing well. Today was simply a flip of that, and it was a very strong flip. You know, we had some stocks that were down 40, 50% from their all-time highs, and they are very interesting tech companies that have products and a lot of growth potential. This has been called the growth sell-off. And a lot of the names that I like, and I'm sure you like, have taken big hits recently. That said, those names were up oftentimes double digits today. A lot of the CRISPR stocks, which are my favorite stocks in the market, were up huge today, but have dropped significantly from their highs, which I did not own as large positions at because they were expensive. As we've said, it's all about the price. Now, the stuff that was down today, things like energy, real estate, I think are still areas of the market to have some exposure to. This is not some sort of long-term, we just corrected and we're going right back to where we were. No, this is a fundamental, 2021 story. And if you watched my videos around New Year's, which were on Instagram before I got canceled on Instagram, you would have heard that I had 2021 story videos. What were we going to look at in 2021? What were the 2021 stocks going to be? We said they were going to be real estate, energy, and gold miners. Gold has struggled. I'm still bullish on gold, although I'm not adding there yet. But real estate and energy have seen good runs, and they are still 2021 stories. I believe energy is just beginning to rise. It's going to continue to see some rise. Production has been cut significantly. Saudi Arabian oil fields just got bombed. The Biden administration wants to continue to decrease oil production, it seems. And there's reasons for oil to get more and more expensive, at least somewhat. And these companies, even if oil stays the same, are well priced. So I would not sleep on energy. And if somehow we see, a reversal to tech outperforming and energy and real estate not performing, make sure you're watching energy and real estate, because if you don't have exposure to those areas of the market, I would definitely get some ExxonMobil or whatever your favorite energy company is. Get that dividend in your pocket and own a very good cash flowing company and own some tech. I certainly like tech. I'm a very big tech investor. It's like my primary focus. I'm broad, but I'm primarily looking for categorical, order of magnitude new technologies. And I will hold them through these turbulent times and add to them, as I've been doing the past couple of days and been calling for you to do once the sell-off got into oversold territory. So some of these stocks are still absolute buys, even after 15% moves today. In the CRISPR space, they are very well priced, down like 50% from the highs. So I would take a look at those. And whatever your favorite ones are, if they are still down, mid to high double digits, I'm talking 20+%, it's probably a good idea to continue adding, as long as it's not something like Zoom, which should probably stay flat for a very long time. I did buy Tesla yesterday around 570, sold it today around 670. Good trade, but that's something that's too expensive. I could have kept riding Tesla beyond a 20% gain or whatever it roughly was, but it's just simply gotten too big. It's too expensive a stock. One day move is huge. So we want to be focusing on price. And like I said, energy stuff is priced well. Where does the market go from here? Well, I'm convinced we're in the midst of a bull run. I think inflation is a lift all boats event, and that's going to continue propelling the market. And record high savings rates, along with an economic reopening, will provide us fundamentals for the economy to be okay. And I believe the market will remain above pre-coronavirus, pre-pandemic levels even while the economy remains below pre-pandemic levels, and I expect that to be the case for some time, particularly with the unemployment situation. So, with that in mind, I advise you to stay invested, but focus on price above all. And if we see a pullback in already well-priced stocks, definitely take advantage of that and add those positions. We have been calling to add tech positions as they reached oversold territory. Energy does not deserve to sell off. A lot of real estate doesn't deserve to sell off either. In fact, both these areas of the market deserve to keep ripping, and possibly even more so than tech. They are 2021 stories, as I said, around New Year's, and I'm saying yet again now after big moves. Price, people. See you on the other side. We'll see what happens. And until next time, peace out.